Most business websites get ignored, but the one I'm about to show you stands out because it uses an interactive horizontal design plus AI agents to turn it into a 24/7 sales and customer support machine. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build this and how to sell this to local businesses. So this is the horizontal site I was talking about. It moves side to side. It's super cool and it's super powerful. But that is just the foot in the door offer that I'm going to be using to basically get local businesses to say yes. So in this video, we're gonna be going after law firms using the foot in the door offer. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to vibe code this entire thing with my prompt that I'm gonna give you for free. But more importantly, how to upsell these law firms after you get your foot in the door with an AI agent like this. So check this out.
Lexi here. How can I help you today?
Hey, how you doing, Lexi? I want to book an appointment. Beautiful. See what I'm saying? We can immediately get them on the upsell. And in this video, again, I'm going to be breaking down how to build this, how to do the right math so you can get to your exact revenue goals, but more importantly, how to properly sell this to local businesses. And at any point during this video, if you have any questions, drop in the comments down below and I will answer personally. I also want to let you know there is not some sales pitch for some outdated course or high-ticket coaching program. None of that. All I'm going to show you is stuff that I'm going to give you for free, like these assets, and you just got to be willing to work hard. So let's jump right in. So the first thing we need to do is have the foot in the door offer. Now we can do this for any niche, but you're going to want to come to Google Maps and we're going to want to type in niche, then location. Then from there, what we need to do is we then need to re-vibe code their site. Again, this is just a demo one, but we need to basically give them a glorified landing page to get our foot in the door and then move the upsell. So first things first, you're going to go through, find the exact law firm you want. So we're going to come in here, say we pick these guys. Yeah, website not up to par, slow loading, just it's not it. Because it doesn't have any AI integrations. Just like all the other ones you're probably gonna find don't have AI integration. Now I'm just picking random businesses. Like this is cool and all, but still it doesn't have AI integrations. Just because it looks cool isn't enough. With this horizontal site, it's built to close. So it's basically like a high super powered funnel that they can use for free. And then the AI agent adding it on is where stuff gets super powerful. And I wanna also let you know I'm giving you this AI agent for free as well. So first things first, you're gonna find the local business you want. So we find, let's say we'll do these guys. You find the exact one and then it's time to quickly vibe code their site. So all we're going to do is we're going to use this vibe coder right here. This is GoHighLevel's vibe coder. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this exact AI prompt that I'm going to give you for free. We're going to copy this entire thing. We're going to paste it into the vibe coder. Then we're going to come right here and we're going to copy and paste the URL of said website you want. Guys, I know I'm moving fast, but it's because your time is valuable and I want to get straight to it. If you have any questions, drop down below. But we're going to put the homepage link right here. We're going to paste this and then we're going to let the vibe coder recreate this website as a horizontal site so that we immediately give them this amazing funnel that will stand out like crazy because this is built to convert. Then from there, I'm going to go over how to properly upsell them on AI agents. So first, let's let this vibe coder cook. Boom, look at that. How cool is that? In seconds, it created this amazing vertical site. Do you see how powerful this is? I mean, this is absolutely insane. Again, it's something that stands out. It looks different, but for you, it's very little work. That's the whole point of this. We don't want you spending hours, if not days of time building someone's, new landing page. This, it's already dialed in and it looks way cleaner, but it's also built to convert just like the one we built before. That way you immediately in seconds can show them something that's like, hey, I'm going to give this to you for free. Now, this is the way this process works. Once you build it for, let's say, your specific people, so let's say these people right here, again, I do not know who these people are. This is just for educational purposes. But once you have said website vibe coded, because again, you want to have that foot in the door offer and you can go to any of these businesses or any niche, we want to show up with something in hand. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to them and say, hey man, I want you guys to try this for free. It's awesome. I think it could really help. And obviously I'm going to show you the AI integration parts, but the next step in the process is then reaching out. So let me show you 25 different ways we can reach out to some of these businesses. So we can reach out to these law firms via cold email, voicemail drops, personal video outreach, networking, strategic partnerships, paid ads, podcast TMPR, cold calling, referrals, certification programs, cold SMS, text outreach, social media DMs, WhatsApp prospecting, long form content, X Spaces/communities, AI SEO, website submissions, promo video lead magnets, webinars, business associations, walk-ins, online communities, Reddit and Quora, freelance marketplaces, direct mail, and local outreach. These are pretty much all the ways I have found to reach out to local businesses to give them said free vibe coded website. Okay. Now, if you look at this and you're like, he went through it so fast, that's because I have a video that's like 10 hours long that goes through every single one of these. So if you're interested in seeing that, literally DM or put right in the comments down below, say, hey, I want to see the 25 different ways to prospect video, and I will just send it to you. It's on my YouTube. Just take it for free. Check it out. And it's going to walk you through each of these. Because again, if you want to make money with this, you have to be able to reach out to businesses. So these are the 25 different ways you're going to need to use, or you pick one of them, however you want to do it, to essentially give the vibe coded site we just created to the local business. Because from there, it then brings us into the whole upsell portion. So either drop a comment down below so you can get this full video and watch it, or you literally just pick one of these and immediately start doing it and take that vibe coded site from the business and give it to them. So now that you understand how to vibe code the site, and we're going to talk about what this vibe coder is and how to use this special AI software in a second. But first, I want to just show you everything so you can understand this. Now that you understand how to vibe code this software, okay, give it to local businesses. You know how to reach out to them as well. So you have that first full part dialed in. We now need to go over the second part, which is super important, which is how do we properly package this once we've given it to the local business? Because again, I'm trying to have you guys use what's called a lead magnet. You're giving away something for free using these AI prompts, which is the vibe coder. And then from there, once we get our foot in the door, how to then give them AI agents. And by the way, I have Lexi built out. Give it to you for free here in a sec. But this is the whole plan. Because if we don't do this properly and we just straight up go, hey, here's the thing, and then we don't talk to them, you're not going to make any money. The whole point about a foot in the door offer is to then get them on something else. The next step I need to show you in working the upsell is how to properly price this so that you are giving enough stuff away for free so it is a no-brainer offer for the local business. So why do we give this away for free? And then how do we charge for the AI agent? Check this out. So what most people do is they come right in for that vibe coded site we just built. They'll go to a business and say, hey, for $1,500, you can have this. Okay. And they kind of give them the landing page, blah, blah, blah. You can do that, but I actually don't recommend doing that because you'll make less money and immediately it's a tougher sale, especially if you're a beginner. Selling right off the rip, it's not a great idea. Because AI is so good at building now, we want to leverage some sort of reciprocity. So what I say you do is you scratch the 1,500 and you give them the vibe coded site or the landing page we just created, say you're going after law firms or any niche, for free. So immediately from there, you go, hey, take it, it's yours free. Then naturally, because it's going to close more leads and it's going to be better than what they have, it's going to lead them to the next problem, which is they're going to need AI agents. This is where this gets super powerful because then you can sell that AI agent I just showed you, okay, for up to $297 per month. And then we can keep selling them more stuff. So they need an email AI chatbot. They need special automations. And by the way, my channel goes over all of this. But that's the whole point. And again, if you guys have any questions or you're confused at all, just drop a comment down below and I will answer personally. But I'm telling you, this is the simplest business model. It really is, because what we're doing here is we're simply just solving business owners' problems in a sequence like this. Because naturally, when you do a good job or you get them more leads, they're going to have more and better problems. That's the way this works. See, that's why so many AI agencies don't make any money and you guys are broke, is because you guys don't know how to upsell and go through this process. Because I'm going to show you some math now. Okay, so look right here. $297. If you get 3 clients at $297, that's $891 per month. If you get 10 clients, that's $2,970 per month. If you get 20 clients, it's about $6,000 per month recurring. So if you do a good job, you set this up right with the AI agents, you're getting $6K a month coming in like this. Now, watch this. If we then go, I like this, but I want to now upsell them on the email AI chatbot and a couple other things, okay, that this AI-powered software I'm going to show you can do. From there, what then happens, okay, is as opposed to you having to get 40 clients, you just raise the price to $497, and now the price has changed. So 3 clients instead of $891, your 3 clients become close to $1,500. Your 10 clients come close to $5,000, and then 20 clients basically lands you at that holy $10K per month mark. This is simple math. This is not rocket science. Yes, it's not going to be super easy, but if you're willing to prospect a lot, it can absolutely happen. And that's the way you need to think about this. And this is like, if you really want to make money with online business, you have to break down the math. So many of these gurus online just say, do this, do that, but they're not actually breaking down how this works. You have to understand, once you get your foot in the door, you then sell them on a solution that actually helps them. And then from there, you then sell them on more stuff so that each client becomes worth more money. This is like business 101. And if you didn't know and you're a beginner, this is what you want. So if you guys are trying to get to that 10K a month mark, the best and easiest way to do it, okay, and simplest without you having to rip out your hair and become a god at sales, is give them something for free, okay? then sell them something low ticket like this where it solves a real problem, which again, I'm giving you that for free. Then you raise your prices, and then very quickly you can be at that mark if you do this process properly. And I'm telling you guys right now, this process becomes very easy when you're selling really good stuff. So this AI agent, I'm going to give you for free. Also with this exact prompt, I'm going to give to you free. And what I want to show you is that this site we built, same with this one as well, is built on a high-level vibe coder. It is this thing right here. If you come out here, it is called GoHighLevel. Now, calm down. I'm not trying to say buy my course now because I don't have that. What I'm going to offer you to do, which I think would be really beneficial, is try the software out for 30 days. Because I talked to the team and I said 14 days is just not enough. We need 30. So down below is a 30-day free trial. I believe they're running also like a 50% off promo, so check that out as well at the time of this video. But more importantly, I want to give you something you can try for free. Because you get in and you're like, yo, I vibe coded this. I went to a lawyer. I made some money. This is awesome. Let's do more of it. Okay, then this is absolutely worth it. But if you try it and you're like, you know, I didn't really think this was great. I didn't really like the AI agent Declan gave me. No worries. You can leave after 30 days. Like, I've created this to be a no-brainer offer. On top of all this, so you're not lost, I'm going to give you access to my private community where I can keep you motivated and, you know, keep you accountable. All of my trainings, all of my systems, which are like these tons of AI agents pre-built so you don't have to do any work, sales scripts, AI prompts, every video training you could need, but most importantly, a way for you to get in touch and talk to me one-on-one so you can see I'm legit. I'm not some freaking scammer. And then all the other people in the group as well you can talk to, which are free. Again, like, these are free. You can just hop on for free with these amazing coaches, talk to them whenever you want. We have a call every day to give you the hand-holding you need, whether you're a beginner or an agency trying to scale. We have you covered. And again, I do this because I truly believe I have the best community in the world. And if you don't believe me, you're like, there's no way, this guy is just making stuff up. Click the link down below and look at the testimonials. It's insane. No one does what I do in here. And the best part is it's free. There's not this massive upsell. Okay, if you want to talk to me, the guy who's really doing it, you have to pay me 10K. It's none of that. You just get access to all of my stuff, all of my assets, okay, the exact flow you need with this software to actually make money, and it's free. And here's the thing, I'm gonna be straight up with you because these other guys aren't. It takes hard work to make money online. Like, I'm being honest with you. I'm not like, oh, it's easy. No, it does take hard work, but it is extremely rewarding. Like, extremely rewarding if you do it properly because you can stack recurring money month after month, and that's really how you're going to get out of the rat race. And there's no better way to do this than my community. And the cool part is too is I'm giving you access to all of this plus the software for free for 30 days. Also, this community will always be free if you're using the software under me. But as simple as that, like, if you're willing to work hard, just click it and give it a shot. Like, what's the worst that can happen? You make extra money. So right in here too, I have these calls. Like, this really doesn't make me any money because I'm just talking to you guys for free. But I love to see, you know, who's doing what, people winning and whatnot. But also to make sure that you guys are getting what you need. And if you guys complain, you can always just click this chat button, message me and complain to me. I'm telling you, you're going to be blown away once you see this. Like, no one is doing this. No one. There are courses for $30,000 that aren't as good as this. Again, if you don't believe me, go down below, click the link, and see the testimonials. So guys, quick recap so you understand exactly what to do. Number one, find the business you need, okay? Pick the websites that are bad, okay? Use one of those 25 ways to reach out to give them said vibe-coded website that we created, which was this bad boy right here, okay? And then from here, once you give them that, we then want to upsell them on that price point to these AI agents. And then most importantly, grab the software down below so you can actually try this out and use it. But more importantly, get in my community because once you sign up, you'll be emailed. And that way, again, 30 days free. If you hate it, you can leave, zero risk. But if you're willing to work hard and you're really like, yo, I want to try this, it's absolutely amazing. Because, like, look at this. You can have AI agents that talk to people. Like, this is the future. And if you go online too, this is something I recommend you do, whether you love me or hate me, is just look up a niche and then a location and see how many businesses have something like this. No one has it because it's new. Like, a lot of you guys are out here trying to sell stuff that's saturated. AI is new. Like, it's such an opportunity right now, and I don't know how long it's gonna last. That's why I'm so, like, passionate. Like, get in the community now before this stuff gets blown up. I mean, it's the best business model I've ever seen because you can be a complete beginner and still win. All you gotta be, you know, willing to do is put in the work. So that's it, guys. I hope you appreciate this. If you're interested, go down below, click that link. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below. Seriously, I answer personally. But most importantly, watch the video that's about to pop up because it's going to be 25 different ways in depth how to get clients, okay? And it's gonna blow you away. So thank you guys for watching and watch the video that pops up right now.